If we want to make changes to our road string, maybe we want to rename it, we want to delete it, we want to choose a different surface, there's a few tools we can use to help us manage that. The first one is the Resample Sections button. If you click on that button, it's found on the Roads tab, and then left click close to the road string or the alignment that we've just created. Resample sections will bring up the same form that we used at creation. There are some limitations. We can't rename within this form, and we certainly can't choose a different template at present. However, if we wanted to change the surface that was being sampled in the background, this is where we do it. We can also change how often the software samples that particular surface. So if we didn't like 25 feet, we could change the number. We can also alter the section width, so for whatever reason 60 feet wasn't enough either side of the centre line, we could increase that value now. So there's a few things we can do with resample sections. It's also a really good way of just getting the road string to be refreshed. So if we have made a change to, say, the horizontal geometry, or even the vertical geometry, and you need the software to go ahead and refresh the string, you can just simply open up resample sections and click on OK, and the software will do the rest. If you are looking to rename the string, again, this is the same process we took with the civil site design alignments. On the Roads tab, on the Edit panel pull down, there is a Rename Road or String button. So we can click on that button and then press Enter to produce it from a list, or left click close to it, select it, and we can rename it there. It's important that the string is renamed at the same time as the alignment. For Civil 3D users wanting to rename strings, you will need to use the same tool. It's important that you do not go and rename the Civil 3D alignment in tool space. The string is looking for the alignment name, and if it finds that the alignment name has changed, it will prompt you until it can find that particular alignment. If you want to rename a Civil 3D alignment, or want to name a string that's sitting on top of an alignment, make sure that you use this particular tool to undertake that task. If we want to delete the road string from the project, again on the Edit panel we have a Delete Road Object button. If you click on the pull down, there is the Delete Road Object there, and in there we can delete not only the string but also the alignment at the same time. So if we wanted to delete Road 1, down the bottom left hand corner of the form there is a Delete Road Objects Only, which says, look, just go ahead and delete the string, leave the alignment behind. And underneath that, we've got a Delete Alignment Roads, which basically says, look, go ahead, delete the alignment as well as the string. If you delete the alignment, then you really have got no access to the string ever again. Once it's gone, it's gone. Okay, so just be aware of that. If you accidentally delete a road string but leave the alignment behind, there is an Undelete String button. Now, if you leave the alignment in the drawing and don't delete it, the software will allow you to undelete the road string if you happen to have made a mistake of some sort. So there's a few management tools you can make use of, all within the Edit panel, which will all assist you with your road string. Now we're going to focus on the vertical design.